Welcome, kitchen dwellers. Today we are going to be performing something a little bit different, known as the sous vide cooking with our steamer or the steam combination oven. We are making sous vide chicken thighs today. Sous vide is a term in French meaning under vacuum, and the general idea is that we're going to be using a food-safe container to put some ingredients, typically a protein, inside, along with herbs and spices, and then dropping them into a temperature-controlled water bath for longer periods of time, so that the ingredient will be cooked low and slow, while the flavors and essences of the spices will be fully immersed with the ingredients. This way, you will never get a overcooked product because we are maintaining the temperature of cooking with the water bath. With the Miele ovens, the steam oven or the combination steam oven, what's going to happen is that steam is used in replacement of the water bath, making it more clean and also easier to use for larger quantities at a time. So let us begin. We're going to need the following ingredients. We will need some chicken thighs naturally, and also some food-safe freezer Ziploc bags. Of course, if you do have a vacuum sealer, you can use those food saver bags that comes with a vacuum sealer. Those are better. But I don't have one right now, so I'm going to use a different method. You're also going to need some spices that you like. I'm using garlic powder, some lemon seasoning, some paprika, and some salt. And that's going to give a pretty nice flavor already. And you can use anything you like. And the preparation step for this is actually very simple. All we have to do is just drop the chicken thighs into the bag and put in the desired amount of spices or herbs that you like. Make sure you do massage them around a little bit more so that everything is going to be evenly coating the chicken. After preparing the bag here, all we need to do is either, if you're using the food saver, seal the bag and vacuum seal it. Or if you're using a different method like I'm here, prepare a big container full of water, making sure not to spill water out while you're trying to move this thing around. And also close the top line of the Ziploc bag about 90% of the way. And then all you do is just slowly push the bag underneath the water, so the water pressure will push the air out, thus vacuum sealing the bag. And when you push most of the air out, just close up the Ziploc and you are good to go to the steam oven. When using the oven, we just need to go to operating modes and select sous vide, and we need to enter the time and the cooking temperature. That's all we need to do. You can find most of these online now, so you can just find whatever ingredient you're trying to make and Google the ingredient plus sous vide time and temperature, and most likely the wonderful internet will give you a good time and temperature combo. For chicken thighs, typically it's going to be around 167 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour or so. Most of the guides online are very similar in terms of the suggestion for time and temperature, so you're good with almost everything. And it's actually pretty simple to use the sous vide because it's very difficult to mess up. And all you need to do is, after the time is up, take the ingredient out of the bag and pat it dry. Once there is no moisture left on the exterior, just use a very hot skillet or frying pan with some oil inside and sear the outside. This way you will get both a very tender and delicious inside for the meat and also a crispy golden skin, and you are very much good to go. Just serve your primary protein up with some side dishes and you have a plate of dinner. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope we were able to share some Miele knowledge while entertaining you. Feel free to explore other videos and other appliances, or explore our other forms of social media for current contents. Thank you!